How to access Reward Gateway Employee Login. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to access Reward Gateway Employee Login. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Reward Gateway Employee Login and hit enter. Click on the first link in the search result. You will be directed towards the Reward Gateway login page. On the login page, enter your email address and password in the respective field. Make sure your information is correct. If you forgot your password, click on the forgot password link and follow the instruction to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the login. You are now logged into your Reward Gateway employee portal. From your dashboard, you can access employee benefits, discounts and reward. And that's it. You have successfully accessed the Reward Gateway employee login. If you have questions or need help, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. See you on the next video.